Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add a promo code in Angry Birds 2. First of all, launch open Angry Birds 2 on your device, and once you're in the game, go ahead and finish the initial tutorial to unlock all features, and then tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. Once you open up the gear menu, go ahead and look on the right hand side and look for this promo code button and tap on it. In the promo code field, go ahead and enter your promo code, type in or paste a valid promo code into the provided box, and then once you are done, click on submit. Upon successful redemption, your rewards will be added to your account. Once you are done, you will then be able to add your promo code in Angry Birds 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.